Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this elegant vintage Burnaway cake for a bridal shower last weekend. I started by preparing my ribbons. I made 7 bows in total. Then I got my edible images ready. One for the top that says soon to be and one underneath that says Mrs. Cloeth, which is the bride-to-be's new name. Next, I moved on to stacking and filling my cake layers. It was an 8-inch milk chocolate mud cake with dark chocolate ganache filling. I piped a layer of white Swiss meringue buttercream around the edges to keep the ganache from showing through. Then I covered the entire cake in smooth white Swiss meringue buttercream. After chilling it in the fridge, I applied the final coat, this time with beige colored buttercream as requested. Once the cake was smooth, I placed the edible icing sheet on top and added some piping details using the shell and star tips before placing the top paper that would later be burned. Now comes the fun part, which is creating the vintage style piping. If you've seen my previous vintage cake videos, you will know that I love trying different piping techniques and using different piping tips. So you can also experiment at home using whatever piping tips you have. Here I marked where the drapes would go, then I used my bow piping tip to create the drapes. I added more pipings to enhance the vintage look. Finally, I placed the ribbons around the cake and finished it off with edible pearls for that romantic bridal look. The cake was such a joy to make. It's classic, elegant, and full of charm. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found some inspiration for your own cake decorating. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my future cake design. See you next time.